Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Qantas Credit Card. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. You can easily access and log into your Qantas Credit Card online by simply opening up a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box at the top as soon as you open up a web browser and type in www.qantasmoney.com and press enter on your keyboard. Go to the upper right hand corner from your qantasmoney.com account and click on the Qantas Money option popping up on your display. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see the login screen. To continue logging into Qantas Money, you can go ahead and type in your membership number in the first text box. If you've forgotten your membership number, click on this link that says Forgot Number at the top and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your number. Once you type in your membership number, head over to the next field and type in your last name. Now, enter your PIN number for your credit card. And if you've forgotten your PIN number, you can go ahead and look for it by clicking on this Forgot PIN option at the top. If you'd like the system to remember your details, click on this Remember Details box beneath, but leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device for your security. After typing in all of your information, click the Login button in red at the bottom in order to get access and manage your Qantas credit card online. That's how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.